Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the power mirrors, guys, on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, guys. We'll explain what you can expect to find them. We will also talk about hidden fuse boxes, guys. That's information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, guys, if you need to buy the replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can, guys, see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So for the power mirrors, which fuses and relays we need to check them, guys, we'll show you here on that generation Chevy Equinox right here. Quick advice from us, there will be some hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox that most owners do not know. 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located, probably, guys. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. We need to open the hood. Now, facing the engine here on the right side, that's the driver's side here, you see. That's a brake fluid reservoir next to it. You have the main engine fuse box. Here you have a clip, here one as well. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, here what we need to check now for the power mirrors, we need to check, okay, 3 different components. Make sure you stand till the end. If that doesn't fix it, we'll talk what else you need to check. But the first fuse is fuse number 27. You see that 7.5 amp fuse. Fuse number 27 will need to be checked, guys. Next, we need to go to fuse number 33, that 10 amp fuse. Right here, check that one too. And after that, we're going to locate fuse number 45, which will be that 7.5 amp fuse right here. All these will need to be checked. You don't have a relay, those are known as relay fuses that you need to check. But if you still have problems with the power mirrors, check fuses and relays for the BCM. That's the body control module. Any of you needing help with that, we'll have the video on the channel to help you out too, guys. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.